How to get your kids to love vegetables. Mia's story, from teacher Edna and Kelsey storybook. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Mia who didn't want to eat vegetables. Every time her parents put a plate of greens in front of her, she would stop and dislike what she saw. Mia's parents tried everything to get her to eat vegetables. They offered her rewards, made funny faces, and even tried to sneak them into her food. But despite everything they did, she still refused to eat them. One day, Mia's parents took her to visit her grandpa, who was an expert gardener. He showed her his beautiful vegetable garden and taught her all about how vegetables grow and how important they are for her health. Mia was fascinated by the garden and loved learning about all the different types of vegetables. Her grandpa even let her pick some fresh vegetables from the garden to take home. When they got home, Mia's parents helped her cook the vegetables she had picked. Mia was hesitant at first, but when she took a bite of the fresh, delicious vegetables, she was amazed at how good they tasted. From that day on, Mia became a vegetable lover. She would help her parents pick out vegetables at the grocery store and even started her own little vegetable garden in her backyard. Mia's parents were thrilled to see their daughter finally enjoying vegetables and were grateful to Mia's grandpa for showing her the magic of gardening. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Teacher Edna and Kelsey channel. Bye bye.